In modern armed conflict, speed and precision are two decisive factors that determine who will dominate the battlefield. However, one strategy often overlooked by the public, yet capable of completely paralyzing an enemy's combat strength, is striking at the heart of enemy command. This is where Russia, using the ballistic power of the Iskander-M missile and the advanced Tornado-S multiple rocket launcher system, shows how a military force can use cutting-edge technology to systematically sever an opponent's chain of command. The question is, how can Russia strike enemy command posts hidden deep in forests or underground bunkers with such accuracy? How does the combination of Iskander and Tornado-S work together in a precise strike? And why has this strategy become a terrifying nightmare for Ukrainian troops on the front lines? Let's explore the strategy that has become Russia's secret weapon in neutralizing enemy command centers and how it's shaping the future of 21st century warfare. The Iskander-M is a short-range tactical ballistic missile system with an operational range of up to 500 kilometers. It can carry various types of warheads, including conventional and nuclear, and is designed to penetrate modern air defenses with intense maneuverability and supersonic speeds. Russia often employs this system to strike high-value targets such as enemy brigade command centers, weapons depots, and logistics infrastructure. In the Ukrainian battlefield, Iskander missiles are deployed against pre-identified targets based on intelligence, ensuring only key military assets are destroyed. One of Iskander's most lethal features is its ability to evade interception by flying at low altitudes, executing extreme maneuvers during the terminal phase, and delivering pinpoint accuracy, even against moving targets. Its advanced navigation and guidance system, backed by GLONASS, makes it extremely difficult to intercept. The Tornado-S is a modernized version of the legendary BM-30 Smerch system. With significantly improved precision due to satellite-guided targeting and a maximum range of up to 120 kilometers, the Tornado-S is no longer just a weapon of terror. It is a high-precision killer capable of hitting pinpoint targets such as mobile command posts, tactical vehicles, and portable communication arrays. Equipped with 12 launch tubes for 300mm rockets, the Tornado-S can unleash a guided rocket salvo capable of devastating an entire grid with lethal accuracy. In coordinated attacks, Tornado-S salvos are used to eliminate reserve troops, technical teams, and supporting infrastructure in the vicinity of a primary target hit by an earlier Iskander strike. Combining the Iskander and Tornado-S in a single operation delivers a devastating synergy. The strategy usually begins with target identification conducted by Russia's military intelligence systems. Using UAVs and electronic surveillance, the position of hidden enemy command posts is located with high accuracy. These could include underground bunkers, forest command tents, or mobile communication centers. The next step is the launch of an Iskander-M missile. This missile is used to destroy high-value targets such as underground command centers or armored command vehicles. These strikes are often a surprise due to the missile's speed and ability to evade radar detection. The result is the instant neutralization of key command structures. Following the initial strike, Tornado-S systems take over. These rocket launchers fire dozens of guided rockets at the target zone to ensure complete destruction. Tornado-S strikes sweep the surrounding area with precision, eliminating logistics vehicles, portable comms towers, and support troops. In some cases, Tornado-S is also used to cut off escape or supply routes, trapping any remaining enemy forces. If needed, Russia may follow up with additional strikes. This may include Lancet loitering munitions, kamikaze drones, to finish off surviving targets, or long-range artillery barrages, to ensure there is no resistance left in the area. This phased approach ensures the total destruction of the enemy's command post, physically and operationally. In recent months, Russia has reportedly destroyed several major Ukrainian command centers, including one in the village of Korovintsy, Sumy Oblast. In this attack, Iskander and Tornado-S systems were used to neutralize the 47th Mechanized Brigade's command post, destroying a communication tower and field HQ. Media reports indicated dozens of personnel were killed, including several senior officers. Another example occurred in the Kharkiv region, where a combined missile and guided rocket strike severed communications between frontline battalions and regional command HQs. As a result, Ukrainian forces experienced operational confusion for over 24 hours, making them vulnerable to follow-up attacks. Beyond the physical destruction, attacks on enemy command posts have a massive psychological effect. Eliminating frontline leadership and communication systems causes disorientation, demoralization, and chaos within the enemy's chain of command. Such strikes create a domino effect. When a brigade commander is killed or loses control, subordinate units often become isolated from central orders. They may make poor tactical decisions, delay movement, or even become trapped without coordination in the middle of active combat zones. Russia's strategy also poses a major challenge to Ukraine's Western-supplied air defense systems. Iskander missiles are notoriously difficult to intercept with Patriot or Iris-T systems, while Tornado-S rockets, though subsonic, are launched in large volumes, overwhelming early detection systems. This combination of technology, rapid deployment, and tactical intelligence makes Russia a formidable force in high-intensity conventional warfare. Even NATO radar systems can't always track Iskander launches conducted from deep within Russian territory. The use of Iskander and Tornado-S missiles to target enemy command posts is more than just a show of force. It's part of Russia's systematic approach to dismantling its opponent's combat capability from within. By destroying command hubs, Russia severs the veins of communication and strategic control, a tactic that turns precision, intelligence, and technology into the ultimate weapons of modern warfare. If this trend continues, such strategies will not only shape the outcome of the war in Ukraine, but may also redefine how future conflicts are fought worldwide. This video is created for educational, analytical, and informational purposes only. It does not glorify war or support any form of violence. All footage, maps, and data presented are sourced from publicly available information and military analyses. The views expressed do not represent any government or military organization. Viewer discretion is advised when interpreting military events and casualties. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more defense and geopolitics analysis from Top War Update.